BNY Mellon Center is a prominent skyscraper in Pittsburgh, standing 725 feet tall and completed in 1984. Designed by Harrison and Abramovitz, it serves as the corporate headquarters for BNY Mellon and features a distinctive triangular roof. Here are 5 interesting facts about it. Number 1. Height. The building stands at 725 feet, 221 meters, making it one of the tallest buildings in Pittsburgh. Number 2. Construction year. It was completed in 1984 and has been a key feature of Pittsburgh's skyline ever since. Number 3. Design. The tower was designed by the renowned architectural firm Harrison and Abramovitz, known for their modernist style. Number 4. Purpose. The building serves as the corporate headquarters for BNY Mellon and houses various offices and commercial spaces. Number 5. Unique feature. It has a distinctive triangular roof structure, giving it a unique look compared to other buildings in the city. This combination of height, design, and purpose makes the BNY Mellon Center a standout structure in Pittsburgh.